How to move files from your Windows computer to your iPhone. So if you have files on your laptop or computer and you want to move this over to your iPhone, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and do this. So the first thing you'll need to do is head over to your Windows computer and open up your Start menu and click on the Microsoft Store. Now just use the search box at the top of this page and type in Apple devices. You'll then need to install this app here, which is Apple devices, and this will allow us to share files over to our iPhone. Once it's finished installing, you can open up the app, go and agree to the terms and conditions, and then we need to head over to our iPhone. Now from your iPhone, you need to make sure you have Google Chrome already installed. If you don't have this, you can head over to the App Store, you can search for Chrome, and you can go and download the Chrome app from here. Now once you have Chrome on your iPhone, you need to grab a USB-C cable, and you need to plug one end into your iPhone and the other end into your laptop or computer. Now if this is your first time connecting your iPhone to your PC, you'll see a Trust This Computer message on your iPhone. Just make sure to click on Trust. You'll also need to go and enter your iPhone passcode. Now head back over to your computer and click on Start. You could then select Files from the left-hand side, select Chrome, and click on Add a File. You'll then need to locate the file or the files you want to send over to your iPhone. So I'm going to select these files here and press Open. Now once the file's been added, you need to click on this Sync button in the bottom right-hand side of the page. Now once it's finished syncing, head back over to your iPhone, go and load up the Files app, and make sure you're on the On My iPhone folder. So if you click on the arrow in the top left-hand side, you can select On My iPhone. You'll then need to click on the Chrome folder, and from here you'll be able to find all of the files that we sent over from our computer. So you can now go and open any of these files on your phone. You can also click on the three horizontal dots in the top right hand side. You can then press Select. You can then go and select the files, and you can click on this Move icon to move them to another folder on your phone.